Okay, we're here to do the fuel filter screen, and this is at a 600-mile service. And how do you do that? It's pretty easy. I removed this panel. You don't really need to remove the seat and everything, but it makes it a little bit easier to get to it. Okay, so this is the fuel screen for the 600-mile service, and they have it periodically throughout every service check. But how to do it? Simple. There's a quick release right here that you pull out. You might want to have a rag handy just so you cover this stuff up so it doesn't leak out. Okay, and if you could see this, hopefully, get stuff out of the way right here. And you may have fuel dripping out of here, so you want to catch that first. But the best way, in my opinion, is to use this pick tool. Don't use a screwdriver and pry. Just use a pick tool, and you'll want to just snag it. Look, and it pops right out. Okay, and that's it. That is the screen. Okay, so it looks pretty good. It looks clean to me, but they want you to do it. Okay, now to install it, here's the new one. Okay, install it, simple. Push it in. You'll hear it kind of click into place almost. And then grab your line, and you want it to click. That's it. Okay, simple. There it is. And for a better look, it's right there. The quick release is that little button right there. Simple. Simple. Okay, the next thing you want to do is fire it up. See if she works. Find out now versus later, right? I love that wings exhaust. That's it. Thanks for watching.